If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not go to other place, but just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy is giving a body everywhere. Yeah? Do you understand? Here in this verse explain Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's, that is called the Nirankush Kripa. And so in this way, in these three examples has given in Madhurya Kadambini, how we will receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very far, but those who are taking darshan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they also receive mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In Chaitanya Chaitamritam very clearly explained this, Jahar Dura Darsane Aise Krishna Prem. And Emon Dayalu Keva Ache Tribhuvane. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Chaitamritam, and the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nirankush Kripa. And those who are not very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but just taking darshan from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they also receive the same mercy. And actually this katha is coming Chaitanya Charitamritam when the queens of Prataprudra, they very far away saw to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and that time they also use this word, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is merciful. So in the same thing, Krishna Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Chaitanya Madhurya Kadambini Grantha explain these things, and how is the magnanimity and magnificent of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Those who are closer, they also getting the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And those who are very intimate, also they are receiving the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gives mercy to everyone. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. And in his incarnation, Gaura Avatar, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. So for this regard, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in the first slokas, glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because one thing is here, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Prakat Lila. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performs this Lila, that time everybody received mercy from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Father, what did he say?
So did that follow from beginning or this part?
Yeah?
This part, just last part?
Yeah.
Então o Buda está falando que quando Chaitanya Mahaprabhu veio, né, para realizar a vida material, então ele não discriminou ninguém, ele deu misericórdia para todos os tipos de entidades vivas sem, né, pensar que tem qualificação que não tem qualificação.
I finished. Now you are sitting here. You are feeling cool or not?
Yeah.
But maybe somewhere raining or ice falling, anyhow, that wind also blowing to here. So we are feeling what? Fresh and coolingness coming. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not go any place, but that his mercy, his kripa, going in everywhere. This is the first. And second, they are giving the example, the rain, first rain cloud, then rain cloud coming one place, then rain coming. So here the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving an example, this mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving as like rain cloud. Yeah? Understand? And because Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in this Granthas also, he gave the name Madhurja Kadambini Grantha. Madhurja means sweetness, beautiful, and very attractive and delightful. There are many synonyms. Or Kadambini means, what do you mean Kadambinis? Voila.
It's like a series of rain clouds, so many coming one after the other.
That is called the about and rain coming from the cloud. The Sanskrit, that is called the Varsha dene wale badal. Badal means rain cloud. And some cloud are, some cloud are going this way. This will not give the rain. White, they are so cloud. They will not give the rain. Look how they are very nicely, as like the heap of cotton. They are blowing. You look this thing, they are white color. But that cloud will not give rain. A rain cloud is another very darkness and also very beautiful, attractive. And when the rain cloud is coming, automatically the coolingness coming. Shitalata. Here is no cloud, but coolingness coming, fresh air coming. So that means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not go many places. Physically, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not go many many places. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy and Mahaprabhu's kripa, and as like rain cloud. So for this regard, in this verse also explain that in the desert, some trees they are about to die because no rain and very hot, full of sand, they are burning. But when the rain cloud very far and the coolingness coming, automatically the trees of the desert, they also feeling some happiness. That is what the example is a conditional soul. Those who are offenders, aparadhi, they come in front of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they ran away from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy also chasing behind to them. And ei chhai aparadhi dhaiya palaila and or Chaitanya kripa tare piche piche daudla. And the 6 types of offenders, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa also chasing behind. Who are the 6 persons? Those who are learning Shastra, Padua. Pasandi, those who are atheist completely, as like Buddhist, because they have no faith about Vedas. Vedas also Pasandi. Vedana Maniya Buddha Hoila Nastik. Because Buddhists, they don't believe Vedas is eternal and transcendental. And they don't accept Vedas. So for this regard, our Shastra explain, our Goswamis explain, the Buddhists, they are called Pasandi, very hardened offenders. And third, Kutarkik, those who are just using the what is called dry knowledge, that is Suska Vichar. There are no any evidence of the Shastra, just they also speaking. And Kutarkik. Or some also learned scholar, so-called scholar, they read Shastra, but they cannot understand the real meaning of Shastra. Shastra podi more gardhaber mata seje boja bohe. They read Shastra, but they don't know real meaning of Shastra. So how many now? 4. Fifth, Mayavadi. Here Mayavadi means Sankar philosophers. Shankar philosophers, they are offenders of Radhi, because though they don't believe Lord has transcendental constitutional form. Lord had transcendental form. Lord's form is very beautiful, attracts Sachidananda Vigraha. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radhi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Or 6 were they? Kutarkik, Pasandi, Porua, or Adham. Adham means they are completely stupid. Stupid, understand? They have no knowledge or nothing. They are called Adham Porua. They are not entering in Shastra or nothing there. And they have no interested any spiritual things also. They are also Adhama. The 6 types of people, they also run. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy also chasing behind. So for this regard, in Madhurya Kadambini, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain these are the Nirankush mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nirankush, understand? Without any obstacles. This mercy is going everywhere. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also giving swar of rain, mercy. He is giving. That is called swar of divine love. Prema Vanna. And he is flooded all over the world with his mercy. Mahaprabhu is very. So for this regard, this verse also explain how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy is going all over the world. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not come, physically Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not come in Brazil. But here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy is coming or not? Everywhere is going on this. In the same way, here this thing, everywhere is there. Understand? But those who are Sukridivan, they accept. They are not Sukridivan, they cannot accept. That means is what? Rain is coming on the top of the mountain, but there are mountain, top of the mountain, there are no any, what is called? Adhar. Adhar means shelter. So rain is also falling down and going towards the pond. So mercy is everywhere. But according to their Adhar, understand? What is a recipient? These things also. But rain is coming anyhow, also some coolingness coming. So for this regard, here they explain. Now rain will come also. Yeah, we have to return back. You understand or not? If you understand, again you ask. Again and again ask.
Time, because when Mahaprabhu came, he preached in India, and with the time, some years ago, the Prabhupada came from the West, and today all the world chanting Harinam. So take time.
Take time, no. Time is going always. Mercy is coming everywhere. But people, they can accept according to their, what is called, adhikar. That's I told. The rain on the top of the mountain. If you have Adhar, you can accept. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, I will also make the Adhar. Adhar and respect also do this. But you are not taking, so what to do? But Mahaprabhu is giving. Mahaprabhu promised, in this Kali Yuga, I will deliver to everyone. Understand? Just you give up the offenses. Aparadhi and those who are offenders, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is kicked out from, maybe kicked out another Brahmanda. Huh? Then you wandering in this, they are on suffering three folds of Maya. Mahaprabhu told, in this Kali Yuga, I will deliver all the living entities. Huh? Understand? You receive you have to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Huh?
At the end, all the souls will be saved.
All the end.
In the Kali Yuga,
Huh?
everybody will go to Golok Vrindavan.
No, I think
You will
she's
go Golok
saying-
Vrindavan.
No, I think she's
If you
saying-
not do bhajan, how to go Golok Vrindavan?
Yeah.
Eh? Lord is giving mercy. That means you are not do go bhajan go Golok Vrindavan, or those who are doing bhajan will Vrindavan. So both are same. You understand?
Yeah.
What did he say? Follow. First understand the question.
Ele perguntou se no final da Kali Yuga, todas as divas, todas as almas vão voltar para Golok Vrindavan.
Não, se elas vão ser salvas.
Elas vão ser salvas. Então, o Deus está dizendo como é que uma diva ela está praticando bhajana e sadhana e ela vai chegar em Golok Vrindavan e outra não está fazendo nada e ela vai chegar também. Então, isso quer dizer que não existe diferença entre essas duas, né?
Otherwise, no one do bhajan sadhana, no need. You cannot say this word. Lord is giving the chance to you. Lord, He gives the chance. So how to practice bhajan and sadhana. This is the truth. This is the process. Without bhajan, you cannot to deliver from this material world. Do you understand? Yeah. Otherwise you think, oh, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told He will deliver to everybody, so I will wait.
My turn.
Huh? No. You have to bhajan and sadhana. So no one do bhajan and sadhana, no need. You have to bhajan and sadhana. He is giving mercy. What is the question?
Since our dear Srila Sita Maharaja departed, I listened that you will to take care with parikrama. Can you talk a little about this? I want to know how will be your schedule and if this will take some difference in your traveling all over the world.
No, this is the simple way. In our temple in Govardhan, final, all sannyasis and members of IGBT and GBST, they meet together and discuss about Navadvip Dham Parikrama. And we will take part the leading and also to how to management this parikrama. And especially when Tirtha Maharaj he leads the Bengalis devotees. Understand? Because many years he also preached in Bengal. Understand? More than 20 years he preached in Bengal. So Bengali devotees most of the Bengali devotees are coming. How many Western devotees coming? Maybe 100, 150, not these things. Little. Or 10,000 Bengali devotees. Understand? And another things, Tirtha Maharaj and his some also assistants, they also collect rice and something this and so for this regard, he managed anyhow. And but most of the financial money is coming from Western countries. Understand? Though Western people are less, what is it called? Less,
Numbers.
less numbers. But Western money is higher than the Indian money is coming in there. So now the question is coming, how to lead, how to do this. So for this regard, they also decide. I have to manage the financial and management and activities in there. Because another thing, Tirtha Maharaj, he was in the president of IGVTI. At that time I was vice, no, he was president. I was vice president of IGVTI. So for this regard, they decide. When not president, then vice president, he have to take that position. Which position?
President.
President position. So they request me, I have to also lead and to how to arrange the mainly financial these things, how much money will come, that they decide. Just everybody have to give money to me, and I will take care of this money, and also I will take care the what is called expenditure, and everything. That means money should be come with me, and I have to also spend the money. Understand? These are the things. Otherwise, money will not, what is called transportation, what is called. If not money coming in my hand, so how possible management? You understand? What is the English word? Is it money? Transportation, what is called? Transportation. Okay. You understand? So that means if anybody will get money, that money they have to give to me.
Money transparency. Clear. Everything must be clear. Money
Yeah, this is a very clearly explained this way. Otherwise, you collect money and keep your pocket. So how possible management? What is called English word? Transparency. This is very important. Management would be depend on the money transparent. So they decide these things, and according to the IGVTI president. So I am now in this. They give these things. So I have to lead this part. Which part? Financial.
Like the treasurer,
What?
like Kubera.
Kubera, he is saying. All money should be come. Understand?
Because this post means someone has to be very trustable. The person who takes care of the money has to be someone very trustable.
Yeah. The trust is money is very important. Otherwise, how to maintain?
Just money coming never.
King means Caesar, who has treasure, Rajkosh. Do you understand? I make you king, but you have no treasure. So that is means is what? Useless king.
Bhikari, actually.
You understand? You are manager, but money is not in your hand. So how will manage? You understand or not? So for this regard, they are saying this way. And so they gave me this post also. The money, everybody have to collect money, and that money should be come in my hand. Then I can also say, okay, because only money should be come in one place, not many places, and that place, and he will be distribute. Then how to spend this money? Understand? There are many these things also. So all the source of money should come with me. You understand what he say? Fala, Portuguese.
Então a Didi perguntou que depois que Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Maharaj entrou em Telila, que você foi nomeado presidente da IGVT, né? E ele vai cuidar das finanças agora, então ela estava perguntando como isso ia funcionar, como se isso vai afetar as viagens dele, ele tem que, né, liderar o Parikram de certa forma. O Buda está explicando que Srila Tirtha Maharaj era o presidente da IGVT e ele era o vice-presidente. Então, automaticamente, quando não tem, né, quando acontece alguma coisa com o presidente, o vice-presidente se torna presidente. Mas a função principal dele é cuidar das finanças. Então, Buda está explicando como no Parikram tem poucos ocidentais e muitos bengalis, só que a maior fonte de renda vem dos ocidentais porque o valor da nossa moeda é muito maior do que o das de rúpias. Então,
Speak louder, not listen. I cannot listen.
Na verdade,
You stand up louder. I cannot listen.
Então, que ele na verdade está encarregado de
Oi,
coletar
listen or not?
todo o Lakshmi, todo o dinheiro tem que vir para ele, para ir só para uma fonte, e ele também é encarregado de saber como, né, gastar esse dinheiro de maneira correta para que o Parikrama possa acontecer. Então, ele está explicando que existe uma necessidade muito grande de transparência para que, né, tudo funcione de uma maneira correta. Basicamente é isso, que ele é o novo encarregado de cuidar de todas as finanças, coletar todo o Lakshmi e de saber como gastar para que o Parikrama possa acontecer.
A Didi também perguntou como isso iria afetar a turnê mundial dele.
No, because she also asked how this would affect your travelings, your preaching around the world.
What is that, man?
Because you have this position as president, so she's asking if this will affect your travelings, your preaching around the world.
Now the COVID is going on, so not traveling everywhere. Just I came only one place, Brazil. And actually this time my tour only very short trip.
One place, only one.
Then I return back to India. Then I will say how this is going on this way. This is the other things. Because main thing is Bengali people, they are very poor. They have not lot of money. They can give rice. Every year, lot of rice coming. Understand? But only rice, you cannot maintain the parikrama. And 10 or 15,000 people coming. Only rice you cannot. Need is what? Other expenses. You have to buy sabji, vegetables, dal, sugar, different. They gave me big chart also to me. Understand? They gave me big, what is called list. Understand? They gave me also. And they give the value. About Indian money, that is the 30 lakhs rupees, 30 to 40 lakhs rupees. That is not included the rice and potato. Understand? Just they give the list, except rice and potato, other list they gave me that value to 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs rupees. Do you understand? So this money, so actual this money, most of this part of the money is coming from Western countries. You understand? These are the things. And coming from different countries. And so this year we'll check. And another things we'll check when we go, how many people will come, because now, and especially in Bengal, and that virus also very strong. I heard, I don't know. And so how many people will come, that we think. How many Western people will come. But I request, even the Western devotee will not come, they have to,
Send money.
they have to, what is called, use this,
Contribute.
contribute, help that way.
Yeah.
And say, if the Western people not help, so how Gurudev Parikrama will be successful? And because every year this Parikrama, especially Navadvip Parikrama, and helped by the Western devotees. Understand these things also. So this money, so I request, they will come or not. Western devotees will come or not. This is not the subject. Subject is that they have to help Gurudev Navadvip Parikrama. And you understand? You go or not, according your circumstance. And this virus, coronavirus, spread all over the world. And every country's government also making the rules and these things and lockdown these things. And so this is true. You may go or not, but you have to contribute, because this is Gurudev Navadvip Dham Parikrama. This is not my Parikrama. Because Gurudev told three things: my printing, my books, and my preaching, and my Parikrama. 3P. 3P will never stop. Understand? And maybe less, but have to preach. Understand? This is the Gurudev instruction. So for this regard, I also request to everybody. And you also send the money proper place. And otherwise you send to that person, maybe 50% will come in my hand, 50% will not come. That means your money waste. This is your risk. Because, and I am not blame to others, but this is the truth. What is the truth? I have to speak. Understand? So for this regard, I request everybody to send the money in proper place. Understand? These are the things. And these are the things. So what to do? You understand? Yeah. So you come or not, this is depend on you. But you have to help Gurudev Parikrama. This is not my Parikrama. This is the Parikrama of Gurudev. This, so always you pointed Gurudev. And this is the things. And Gaur Premanandi.
Então, mais uma parte da pergunta dele foi de como isso ia afetar a viagem do Gurudev, né? Ele também é responsável pela IGVC, as finanças, se isso ia afetar alguma coisa. E o Gurudev falou, agora nessa época de coronavírus, você está podendo viajar para lugar nenhum, você está no lugar do Brasil. Aí depois do Brasil ele volta para a Índia, né? E aí então, ele falou o que acontece lá, tem que se preocupar com os bengalistas, porque tem muitos bengalis e eles são muito pobres. Eles podem doar arroz, né? Arroz e batata é a coisa que eles podem doar muito, mas outras coisas não podem. Então o Gurudev falou que levantaram uma lista para ele de coisas que ele tem que comprar, né? E tem 30 mil rupias, 40 mil rupias de gasto.
Não, 3 milhões. 3 milhões.
3 milhões, 4 milhões de rupias de gasto. E além disso, o Gurudev está explicando um pouquinho do Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Ele pediu que 3 coisas continuassem, que é a pregação, imprimir livros e o Paríclito. Então, que mesmo que os devotos ocidentais não vão por causa da situação do coronavírus, o Gurudev está pedindo para todo mundo doar, contribuir para o Paríclito poder continuar, né? Essa situação, a gente nem todo mundo está podendo viajar, mas a gente tem que ajudar. E ele falou para doar no lugar certo, para mandar o dinheiro no lugar certo, porque se você mandar para uma pessoa, outra pessoa, pode ser que 50% do seu dinheiro seja perdido, outro 50% chegue para ele, então esse é um risco seu. Então está pedindo para todo mundo.
O lugar
doar de
certo é a
maneira
mão
apropriada.
dele.
Quem não viajar, que faça doações.
Né? Que previsão?
Lá com 100 mil. Então 30 vezes 100 mil. Só apertar uma laca 100 mil.
Ó,